Good morning, dear children. A very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. I hope you all are enjoying the maths classes and all are safe at your homes. Okay, so my dear students, let's start the class today. First of all, you have to bring out your notebooks from your bags and write the date and day on that. Okay, so what is the date today? Today is 4th of August 2021. So we will write 4 8 2021, and today the day is Wednesday. So write the spelling of the day: WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Date is 4/8/2020 and day is Wednesday. Yes, I hope you all have written. Okay, so in today's class we will do a new concept. So write the name of topic in your notebooks. Today's topic is subtraction. Subtraction. And this is the sign of subtraction. This is the sign of addition and this is subtraction. Addition means to add two numbers and subtraction means taken out. One thing from one number is taken out from the another. So here in your books you can see page number 35, chapter number 3, subtraction up to 20. We will start subtraction from today. Subtraction means taken out. Taken out something is called subtraction. So here now see at the board. I am making some pictures. You also have to draw these kinds of pictures in your notebooks. If you can't draw the flowers, you can make the simple circles only. Here on the board you can see some flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers are these? These are 4 flowers. Yes, these are 4 flowers. Now we have to do 4 minus 2 is equal to dash. If we will subtract number 2 from 4, हमने 4 में से 2 को आउट करना है, टेकन आउट करना है. हम 4 फ्लावर में से 2 को कट करेंगे and then we have the answer on the board. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 flowers and we have to take out 2 from 4. 4 में से 2 को माइनस करना है, मीन्स 4 में से 2 को निकाल लेना है. Like this. 1, 2. We have 4 flowers and we have make cross on 2 flowers. 4 minus 2. Now how many flowers are left here? See, 1, 2. Only 2. So we will write number 2 in this box. 4 minus 2 is 2. अगर 4 में से 2 को निकाल लिया जाए तो we have 2 only. Okay. And next we will make triangles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to do this. 5 minus 4 is equal to 5 में से अगर 4 को निकाल लिया जाए then so let's start making cross on 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. कितने ट्राइंगल्स पे हमने क्रॉस करना है? 4, बिकॉज 5 में से हमें 4 को निकाल देना है. एंड what is left we have now? Only one triangle we have left. We have make the cross on 4 triangles. 1 2 3 4. हमारे पास 5 triangles हैं, हमने उसमें से 4 को निकाल देना है. Then we have only one triangle left. So here we will write number 1. Do the same work in your notebooks now. I'm sure you are doing. Okay, the next I will make some circles here. This is our next sum. First of all, we will count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are these? 7. How many circles you can see on the board? 7. And 7 circles, the same work you have to draw in your notebook also. Draw the 7 circles. Done. Okay, see. Now what we have to do? 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. How many cross we have to make on circle? Circle के ऊपर हमने कितने circles को cross करना है? Only 3. 7 minus 3. तो 7 में से हमने 3 को cross. 1, 2, 3. We have done? Yes. Now we will count the left circle. हमारे पास कितने circles left है, कितने बचे हुए हैं, हम उनको count करेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 circles now. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 7 में से अगर 3 निकाल लेते हैं, then we have only 4 left. Do the same work and then we will do the next sum. Do quickly. Okay, now I am making some clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many clouds are these? 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Now we have to make cross on 3 clouds. 1, 2, 3. How many cross? 3. Because 8 minus 3. Here we have 3. We will take out 3 clouds from these 8. हम 8 में से 3 को निकाल कर बाकी count करेंगे. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 clouds now. So we will write number 5 here. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Now again here I am making some squares. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many squares are these? 6 squares. And we have to do 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. हमें क्या करना है? 6 में से 2 squares को cross करना है. So let's start. 1, 2. Done. Now how many squares we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. I hope you all understand. Yes. Now bring out your books And see here on the first page of this chapter, we have this picture. Yes. On page number 35, there were 5 birds in a nest. Nest में कितने birds थे? 5. So count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many birds were there in the nest? 5. And next here, one little bird flew away. One little bird from these 5 birds, one little bird flew away. एक bird उड़ गया है. Then how many birds were left? How many birds were left? Left means here we have the word left, means we have to do the subtraction. There were 5 birds on the nest. One bird flew away, and how many birds left on the nest? So what we will do? 5. 5 में से one bird अगर flew away है, उड़ गया है, then we will remove 1 from these 5. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. कितने birds हैं अब nest में? देखिए count करें आप सब. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds were left? 4. So you have to write number 4 here. Okay? Done? I hope you all are enjoying the class. Yes? And understand the topic of subtraction also. Okay, on next page, page number 36, see here, 4 minus 2. You can see the pictures of small cars here. 4 minus 2 and 2 pictures are also crossed here. देखिए 2 pictures को cross किया हुआ है. How many pictures are left here? You have to count them and write the correct answer in this box. 1, 2. Only 2 cars left. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So write number 2 here in this box. Next is this. Here are 3 pictures. 3 minus 1. 1 is already crossed. See. And how many are left here? 1, 2. Again the answer is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, on next page, see here, the same sums are here again. 6 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 को हमने क्या किया है? Cross. Already crossed. And how many left? Again 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Next and last number is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 pictures of aeroplanes. And 8 minus 5. 5 are crossed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And how many pictures we have left? See, 1, 2, 3. Only 3. So 8 minus 5 is 3. You have to write number 3 in this box. My dear students, I hope you all understand the concept of subtraction. Yes. Now we will meet in our next class. Bye-bye. Take care.